Take a ride in the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Mercedes-Benz GLS is a 7-passenger luxury SUV which possesses all the strength, versatility, safety, elegance, cutting-edge technology, sleek sophistication, and amenities that you've come to expect from a Mercedes, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.